Every premium ceramic tile begins with natural clay. Every day, hundreds of tons of fresh red clay arrive from nearby mines to this massive ceramic tile factory. The raw clay now enters the crushing section, where giant industrial crushers break the large clay lumps into smaller, uniform pieces for the next stage of production. While the clay is being crushed, other essential raw materials also arrive. Feldspar improves strength, while silica sand increases hardness and durability.
After unloading, the feldspar is crushed into fine particles. Then, the clay, feldspar, and silica sand are automatically weighed in precise proportions before mixing.
The precisely measured raw materials are now transferred to giant ball mills. Water is added, and the minerals are ground continuously until they become a smooth ceramic slurry.
The ceramic slurry is now purified. Vibrating screens remove coarse particles. Powerful magnetic separators extract tiny iron impurities. Perfectly clean, high-quality tiles. The purified ceramic slurry is now pumped into a giant spray dryer. Inside the drying tower, hot air instant moves the moisture. The ceramic powder is stored in giant silos before being automatically fed into hydraulic presses. Hundreds of tons of pressure compress the powder into perfectly shaped luxury tile slabs.
The freshly pressed green tiles. They now enter a continuous industrial dryer, where controlled hot air removes the remaining moisture and prepares the surface for decoration. To create a flawless surface, each dried tile first receives a smooth white and gold base coat, luxury marble and natural stone designs with incredible precision.
To protect the printed design and create a premium finish, each tile receives a transparent ceramic glaze. This coating will permanently fuse with the tile during firing. The glazed tiles now enter the most important stage. Inside a kiln, temperatures reach nearly 1200 degrees. The glaze fuses with the surface to create a luxury finish.
The fired tiles leave the roller kiln at an extremely high temperature. They cannot be cooled suddenly, so they pass through a controlled cooling tunnel where the temperature is reduced gradually. After cooling, the tiles enter the finishing section. Diamond polishing machines create a brilliant mirror-like surface, and precision cutting machines trim every edge to achieve.
Every luxury tile undergoes a final quality inspection before leaving the factory. Only tiles that meet strict quality standards are packaged and shipped to customers around the world.